Hello YouTube, we have a wonderful job site today. We have really thick and tall grass and it's really uneven because the big farm tractors used to cut grass here and it's all with ruts, you know, from the tires. So all this area used to look like this with the massive grass. I already did mulch the grass here and we're starting to deep grind everything. The soil is full with rocks and as you can see where the tracks were, it's really uneven and bumpy. So we're deep grinding everything now. And the area goes like down there to the road, everywhere where I have mulched the grass. And look how many rocks there are here in the soil. So we have just the bottom corner left to deep grind. All the rest is deep grinded. For some reason no one wanted to cut the grass on the corner, so I just did that as I had spare time. But the area that we have to level and settle is right here. So we will deep grind everything. There's a lot of rocks in the soil. The customer didn't mention any rocks, so I hope you guys enjoy the videos. This is mind-blowing. The grass was so tall, everything was overgrown here. I mulched it with the grass cutter and now we're deep grinding. We'll level and settle and it will be just a plain field. It will be easy to cut grass. I'm not sure if you can see how uneven it is. Just crazy. And all those rocks. But what can you do? We'll deep grind everything and then start pushing all the rocks to the sides when we will start to level and settle. This attachment is not afraid of rocks or stones. It's all from tough metals, so you just keep going. Rock and roll! The deep grinding process is really slow, but it's the same with the big wheeled tractors with 300, 400 horsepower machines with PTO driven attachments. The grinding speed is 0.3 to 0.5 kilometers per hour, so there is no difference if you do recultivation with the bobcat, with hydraulic attachment, or with 300-400 horsepower machines. The grinding speed is the same. We are starting to level and settle, but as it's so uneven we will have to go the other direction as well. Pushing all the rocks to the sides. We are going over sideways now as it's so uneven. Rolling everything up. You can see how uneven still this is, and then after the second path it's already like a straight field. Oh, we have a rock. All the far side is starting to look like something. When we level and settle, we use rabbit speed, so we go 18 kilometers per hour, as fast as the bobcat goes. As you can see, leveling and settling process happens really quick. And you move soil forward, you pull soil backwards when you're back dragging. So you use the attachments rotor both directions when you level and settle. to get perfect results. So you have to fill all the holes, take all the bumps off and compact the soil down. Prepare it for sowing grass seed. We do not have to seed here today, but we have to leave a nice surface that the customer can cut grass easily. He will put robots on. You can see how many rocks in the soil and how really uneven everything is and bumpy. So we went over one direction, now we're going sideways to get the perfect result, as it was so uneven. As it's up the hill, back dragging is quite slow, but what can you do on the hillsides? Yeah, it's like an F1 car. Now you can see the bottom side is all done. Now we go from like here to top, we go this direction, and after we will go like this to get perfect result. 4 paths, forward backwards and then forward backwards, and this is the result. Not like with soil conditioner, you have to go over 20 times to level or even anything out and settle the soil down, compact it a little. Here, as it was so uneven, it's necessary to go 4 paths, but usually if there is not that many rocks and it's not this uneven, it's just fine if you go forward, come backwards, and it's seed ready surface. I hope you guys enjoy this view as much as I do, because all the jobs happen so quick with this attachment. We don't waste any time. The result is just awesome. We don't burn a lot of fuel, don't waste a lot of time, and we can do miracles in a day. Everything is starting to take shape, looking good. Coneteks 2.13M attachment with forestry rotor head to level and settle all this. So the customer wanted to keep the nice and even hills, like just so they are even, and so that the robot grass cutter can cut grass. He didn't want a straight hill or straight ground. So we're trying our best to make everything nice and smooth and even. It looks awesome on this hillside. Remember, in the morning everything was overgrown with tall and thick grass, really uneven, and this is the end result. Everything is nice and even, settled and compact down. Customer can cut grass easily now. He did not want a perfect straight surface. He wanted to keep the nice hills, just make them all smooth. Grass cutter can do its job. I hope you enjoyed the video. For more content like this, press like, subscribe to the channel, and I will try to make some more videos for you.